Assalamu alaikum. Today we're at a car wash in Medina. In general, Saudi Arabia and Medina is a dusty place and country, so cars can get dirty very quickly. As a result, you can find car wash places all around Medina and Saudi Arabia, and there is good business in it. Prices for a car wash generally range between 20 riyal for a small car, 25 riyal for a medium-sized car, and 30 riyal for a large car. Of course, there are other services that are offered, for example, having the seats covered with plastic, and of course, other types of services. The majority of the places are hand car washes. The cars are sprayed with foam and soap using a compressor and hose, and then washed using a pressure washer. Cars are then dried off and vacuumed by members of staff. This particular car wash is on the outskirts of Medina. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share the video, and please turn on your notifications. You can also follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.